Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how do we create a logo for our brand by Canva. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Canva application. Here I already opened mine and I already have a project, but we will create the new project since the project is quite different with my project now. So first thing I'm gonna do is just create the new project by go create design, and after that just click the search button and type logo. Okay, and after you find the several options and just choose what logo that you want to have or want to design, or you just need the ratio, just click randomly. For me, I will choose the logo, and after that you will be generated into several templates that you can choose as a reference, or if you already have your own concept, you just need like go into the canvas right there and just go exploring what do you want to have for the canvas. For me, since I have no idea about what logo that I want to have, but I want to have a coffee product, so I want to go into coffee. That's one is quite good, but this is others or someone else's design, so I will just want to do a remake. So here I want to do like here right there, and after that this I want to change the name. I'll just delete everything here. Okay, so let's create a coffee just by click the elements right there, and after that just click a copy. Okay, go into the graphics. Okay, and now I will choose this one, and let's resizing. Okay, and I will go here, right there. Okay, and after that I will go with line. So how to go into line, just go into the elements, click twice, and then just go into line, and now you can choose which line that you want to have. For me, I want to have this line, and adjusting the line style and font. Okay, hold on, slide into the left side, we'll go into the line style. You can adjusting the thickness of the line by just clicking this. I want to make it like as thin as possible right there, and we just need to adjusting the position of this line as well as the okay. And after that I would like to add text for the name of the brand by clicking the plus and go into the text button. You can go by add a heading and just adding the name of your brand, and after you're done you just need to like adjusting the positions. For example, you want to have it here, okay, or here. Okay, so to save this brand you just need to go by clicking this one to have more option to save this. So make sure that you are in a PNG. For the best option there is suggest with Canva, and after you're done just click download. And now the design of your logo or your brand is already saved into your gallery. That's all the way how you design logo from Canva. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.